If you are new to the online business world, or you're hoping to build a business through the power of video or social media, you're going to be making this one mistake guaranteed, and I'm going to fix it for you. Now you might say, Stephen, who are you to tell me what to do? Well, I've been running a social media agency now for the best part of 13 years, and I see this mistake all of the time, and it's virality over honest views. Let me give you some context. So many people are making these huge mistakes and getting disheartened because they want to get loads and loads and loads of views on a video without really understanding the fact that the people who viewed the video in the first place, they're your leads, they're your prospects, they're the people who like your content. Isn't it much more sensible, dare I say it, to make a relationship with those people and build the business through the people who actually like your content, who are watching it, who are engaging with it, rather than hoping and waiting for the ones that never show up? Or you hit a trend, something's happening in the news, and you get virality from that, because that's usually where it comes. A trend, something going on in the news, something relevant and current, but it's not usually about your business or your service or what you offer. So let me just give you some stats, numbers, information, whatever you want to call it. You have 1 million views on a video, nobody buys because it's a trend, it's something that's popped off in the news, it's something that's current. And you make a video addressing your ideal client, your ideal prospects' core pains, and you get 300-400 views on a video, and you get disheartened and it feels a bit shitty. You're like, oh, what's the point? Put so much time and effort into that video. Do you know what? I get it. I've been there. I've been you. I understand. But when I had this realization about the 400 people that bothered to watch my video, that showed up for me, that cared about what I was saying, and it was helping them and serving them and helping them through a sticking point, maybe make a better video, solve a business problem, get over the fear of video and all that stuff. When I realized those 400 people that actually showed up were the ones that were important, my business completely shifted. So let's just do those numbers. You get 100,000 views on a video from some viral thing, and you know what? No business. It's usually what happens, you see. You get 1 million views, you might get a few links to your email lists clicked, and you might download your freebie. But think about those 400 people that join, and they look at the video and they like it and they watch it a bit more. Then they come back for a bit more next time because they start to trust you, because you're building trust, because there's a huge trust recession right now in the online space. And then what if some of those people buy from you because you built trust, the whole know, like and trust thing, and they hear what you're saying and they like your content and they keep coming back for more. There's a thing called ZMOT. It's a study done by Google. I'm just going to cross the road, bear with me. Come on, Murphy. Got the dog out with me. And it was around the amount of hours and touch points. Anyway, numbers were 7 hours of content consumed, 11 different touch points in 4 different places. Study done by Google before anyone will buy from you. So that viral video we were talking about a minute ago where no one's buying, that's real because people haven't consumed enough. But what if the same portion of those 400 people from the non-viral video kept coming back? What if, let's say, 10 of them bought from you? Now, I'll do this with my numbers and my course and my program, so you can see the content just here. Okay, if 10 people bought, that's what? 2.5%. So not a massive audience, not a massive amount of people, should we say, but 2.5% buy from me. That's 10 out of that 400. I think they're numbers. If they're not, you have to correct me below, but we're talking around 2.5%. Now, my core program, the Heart Brand Blueprint, where I teach people to awaken their personal brand, to position themselves through the power of YouTube, specifically video, and then build an online business through the knowledge, wisdom, skills, and expertise. That's what I do. That course is $2,000. If 2.5%, 10 people buy that, that's $20,000. Who wouldn't like to make $20,000 a month through consistently posting content, short form, long form, with a strategy behind it, knowing that only a few hundred people could make the difference in your life? So I ask you, why are you going for reality? Why are you going for virality? Why are you going for something polished and, and AI generated and all that stuff when you could just be real, aim for real numbers, serve real people, and build a real business. Have a think about that. And if you want some help, there'll be a link around the video, I'm sure. I'll put up here after I've finished my walk with the dog that can help you even further. Or you can watch this video that pops up next, because that's the one that YouTube's telling you should watch.